We're making it easier for parents to put their kids in the right age-appropriate account on YouTube. Signed-in parents can now create a supervised kid account for their child directly in the YouTube app without creating a Google account and password for their child. To create a supervised kid account on YouTube for your child, open the YouTube app. Next, tap on your U tab. Then, press the settings icon. From there, select Family Center or Switch Account. Then, select Add a Kid Account. Next, enter your child's birthday. You can then choose if you'd like to set up the account on YouTube Kids or on YouTube as a supervised kid account. Do note, you'll have to have the YouTube Kids app downloaded on your device to set up an account on YouTube Kids. You'll then have the option to choose the content settings most appropriate for your child's age and viewing experience. When your child is watching using their supervised kid account, they'll see YouTube based on the content settings you selected. These accounts will also include all the foundational safeguards that YouTube provides for all accounts under 18, such as digital well-being tools like reminders to take a break, bedtime reminders to help encourage healthy viewing habits, or Shorts feed limit to 0. Parents can always select and change the content settings applied to their child's supervised kids account. For more information on YouTube safeguards for accounts under 18, check out the articles in the description. Now, let's go over how to switch between your child's account and your account on your device. When opening the YouTube app on mobile, you may receive a prompt asking who is watching, allowing you or your child to select the appropriate account. You can also switch anytime by going to Switch Account and selecting your child's account. On a shared device, your child's viewing stays in their account, so your content settings, personal recommendations, and watch history remain separate, allowing you both to enjoy the YouTube experience that's right for you. To learn more about creating a supervised kid account on YouTube with a shared device, check out the articles in the description. Thanks for watching.